guys, today we're gonna be having some Buldak tomato pasta with our McDonald's garlic sauce that you can only get on line orders. So you have to get the mobile app to get this. All right, so we're gonna be going in and devouring this meal. I am so hungry, but first of all, let me introduce you to my favorite Buldak flavor. It is the tomato pasta. You guys have heard of the carbonara, blah, 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 and the jjajangmyeon one is good too, but this is my favorite. It's like what I wished spaghetti would have tasted like when I was growing up, because homegirl, you know those chili flakes at the pizza shops? Be drizzling her pizza with that. And it kind of gives that overall same vibe. Spicy pasta. But before we dig in, let me give you the deets. All right, so this is the tomato Buldak pasta. We have our McDonald's chicken nuggets here and our little cheeseburgers. Oh, where's the cheese? Oh my gosh, did they give me hamburgers instead? I specifically ordered the cheeseburgers, but anyways, that's okay. And then we have the sauce here. Okay. So I'm interested what the sauce will taste like. And then we have some fiber. And then, I don't know if you guys know, but Korean people have multiple types of kimchi, and this kimchi you drink for the juices, the probiotics. And I'll show you in detail later, guys. But for now, let's get to eating. Let's start off with greeting our friend. Hello there, garlic sauce. I will try you now. Oh, very garlicky. You know those pre-chopped up garlics that you can get in the jar that smells kind of pickled? That's initially what it smells like. But there's like some, I think, teriyaki-ness to it, so I'm curious. Let me just dip for you. All right. It looks very glazy, glorious. Brown sauce. Looks like there's pepper in it. It kind of reminds me of the other sauce that they had, in the sense that it's very umami-ish. It's tangy for sure. There's like a very tanginess to it. Let me see what the ingredients are. Water, corn syrup, sugar, soy sauce, soybean, salt, distilled vinegar, onion, garlic, spices, rice vinegar. It's very umami. It's very strong in the garlic smell. Let me taste it again. Tastes like garlic in the back of your throat. Overall, not bad. However, do I pick it over my OG sweet and sour sauce? I don't know. I don't think so. It's good though. It's good. Overall, sweet and sour sauce wins though. But it is good. It's very umami. McDonald's, can I ask you a favor? I don't know if you're gonna watch this, but can you pretty please make a garlic butter sauce? Garlic butter. We love the garlic butter. Koreans love garlic butter. We will go crazy for that stuff. So good though. Is it worth it? Yeah, it's worth it. But it is vinegary. If you don't like vinegar, pass it up. Let's try the Buldak tomato pasta. I don't cheap out on the sauce, guys. I pour everything in there. My favorite. Oh, if you like your Buldak tomatoey, go for it. Go for it. Hold it empty. All right, let's eat a cheeseburger. I ate a pickle, so pretty sure there's no more in there. But have you guys ever noticed that there's onion in these? I'm pretty sure that's what makes it delicious. Let's get something to drink. All right, I'm gonna open this kimchi, this dongchimi. Oh, do you hear this? It's fermented, guys. Okay, it didn't bust, but do you see the fermentation bubbles, guys, at the top? Bubbling, bubbling, every day I'm bubbling. Dongchimi 국물. All right. This is basically a radish kimchi. I don't know if you guys know, but there's other kinds of kimchi, not just red chili kimchi. The first kimchis were picked kimchi with no chili flakes. Highly recommend. And you can actually just fill it up with water again after you let it ferment and then just keep drinking it. Oh, it's good. It's good. I like it. It's refreshing. It heals my soul, especially when I'm having greasy food. So if you're tired of drinking soda with your food, try Dongchimi because it has probiotics in it that's naturally fermented by the radish, whatever fruit or vegetable is in there. It's like such a fresh drink. Oh my gosh. I know some old Korean farts eat it with like their food and stuff, their rice, I don't know, but we love it. We love it. It's delicious, divine. And you can just go right back to eating whatever you were eating. So good. 맛있죠? Let's try the chicken nugget with the buldak like this. And I'm thinking it's gonna give me garlic parmesan vibes, you know what I'm saying? Let's try it. Kind of gets rid of the overall like spice factor when you have it with the chicken. But I don't know what, the chicken was like stuck in my mouth at a weird angle, so let's try that again. But like sideways so it goes in. Yeah. You lazy and you like me, you like your spaghetti spicy, chicken nuggets, and a Buldak tomato pasta. That's your way to go, girl. But we need more beverage, so let's get more of that dongchimi. No. I have to like pick up the jar, but I'm scared I'm gonna like spill it everywhere. So I guess we have to stop it here and just fill it up with water. All right, let's continue on with the Buldak tomato pasta. Dude, honestly, this is really good. If you haven't tried it, try it out. Growing up, me and my sister, I put like sriracha in our spaghetti. Kind of tastes like that, but kind of tastes like Buldak instead. It's good. I love it. Sweet and sour sauce. And we dip. Boop. 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 It's good. In spirits of trying everything in one bite, let's get that hamburger. It was supposed to be a cheeseburger, but I guess they made a mistake. We're gonna get our hamburger and we're gonna open it up. Put some buldak in there. And let's put some chicken, 2 pieces. And because it's new, let's add this sauce, the garlic sauce. All right. All right. Good dollop. All right, let's put it in there. And voila, a creation is made. Let's try it. I wonder what this will taste like. Mmm. 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 It's actually not that weird. The Buldak tomato pasta kind of tastes like a little bit of spice aspect. The sauce is like kind of like a tangy teriyaki sauce that's not too sweet. And the chicken and beef honestly just feels like a patty. It's actually not weird at all. Mm. Not bad. Let's get that Coke Zero. It is that time, you know? We didn't have enough Dongchimi. Ooh. All right, let's finish up. I kind of like the mix of all this. It adds like a squishiness, I don't know if it's a wetness to the meat and the overall burger. It's not bad at all. All right, here we go. Needs some wetness. Now I know why those competitive eaters, they always have like Coke or something next to the food that they're eating because your mouth gets dry. You need that wetness to like swallow. All right, let's eat that fiber. Plum, we have grapes, watermelon, cherry, and a kiwi. Right, let's eat it up. Start off with the kiwi. Mmm. Mmm. That just like juiced itself down my throat. Like I did not even bite. I don't even think I chewed. It was delish. Mmm. Guys, the cotton candy grapes right now, divine. So good. Watermelon, so good. Mmm. Oh, so good. And these cherries, they're from Rainier. These cherries are delicious too. Mmm. Mm. Oh, cotton candy grapes is so good. Mm. And before, I didn't see organic cotton candy grapes, but now they have them. So if you want cotton candy grapes and there were no organic ones, now they have it. At Whole Foods anyway, I saw it. Mm. Mm. They're like perfectly sweet, not too sweet, delicious tart. And our last plum. Dude, I feel like plums are tastier than prunes. Well, that's it for today's mukbang. And I hope you eating your fiber too because your girl learned her lesson. Let's eat fiber together, guys. If you can't have fiber that way, find a source. There's fiber in chia seeds, vegetables, there's some in fruits. Guys, have your fiber and have good combinations. I know I'm not the best representation of what you should be eating on a daily. All right, guys, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Is it off? Still on there? Right here?
All over.
All over?
Set all the way over here.
Right here?
And down here.
Really? 아, 안 보이는데? Am I that much of a slob kebab? Let me see. Oh my god! Let's eat our fiber together. Was that you? That wasn't me. Was that me? That
Chair, maybe.
sounded like a pango.